Hey rose gardeners, are you ready to transform your garden and bring more beauty into your life? In this video, I'm thrilled to share a simple, natural method to propagate roses that's perfect whether you're just starting out or have been growing roses for years. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to multiply your favorite roses and fill your garden with stunning blooms. Unlock the secret to endless roses, my foolproof propagation method. Today, I'm going to reveal one of my favorite, all-natural methods for rooting rose cuttings that will help you create a flourishing rose garden without breaking the bank. Let's get started and watch your garden dreams blossom. The power of nature, orange peel, and vitamin B1 solution. It all begins with a humble orange. After rinsing it clean, gently peel off the skin. This vibrant peel is a powerhouse of natural goodness. When finely chopped and blended with water, it creates a gentle, natural nutrient solution that gives your rose cuttings a fresh start. The natural oils and nutrients from the orange peel are easily absorbed by the cuttings, providing a subtle boost for healthy growth. After blending the orange peel with about 300 milliliters of clean water and straining the pulp, we'll add 3 tablets of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is an incredible aid for new cuttings. It helps to reduce transplant shock, which is crucial when a plant is transitioning to a new environment. More importantly, it stimulates strong root growth and supports healthy plant recovery. Combined with the citrus extract, this becomes a powerful natural booster, giving your roses the strength to grow beautifully from the roots up. Preparing your rose cuttings? Choosing the right cutting is key to success. Select a healthy stem and trim it to about 10 to 15 centimeters in length. Remove most of the leaves. This helps the cutting focus its energy on developing roots rather than maintaining foliage. Make a clean diagonal cut at the base, about 45 degrees. This angled cut increases the surface area for water absorption and encourages faster root growth, setting the foundation for a strong, thriving rose. The healing and root boosting soak. Next, we'll prepare a gentle yet potent disinfecting and root boosting solution. In 300 milliliters of clean water, add 1 teaspoon of pure honey and 1 spoonful of apple cider vinegar. Honey contains natural enzymes and compounds that act as an antibacterial agent. It helps disinfect the fresh cut on your rose stem, preventing rot and mold during the rooting process. Think of it as nature's antiseptic for your cuttings. Apple cider vinegar, when used in small, diluted doses, can stimulate callus formation at the base of the cuttings. A callus is the protective tissue from which new roots will begin to form. It essentially encourages the plant to initiate root development more easily. Stir this mixture until the honey and apple cider vinegar are fully blended. Then, place your rose cuttings into this solution and let them soak for about 30 minutes. This allows the natural ingredients to penetrate the stem, disinfect the cut, and gently trigger the root development process. Hydroponic propagation, watch them grow. For this method, we'll use a hydroponic approach, which is simple, clean, and incredibly satisfying as you can watch the roots develop in real time. Start with a clear glass bottle or jar. The transparent glass is essential as it allows you to observe the root development day by day. Use a small piece of sponge with a slit in the center to hold the rose cutting upright. The sponge keeps the stem moist, stable, and prevents direct air exposure to the base. Fill the glass bottle with water, then gently insert the rose cutting through the sponge, allowing the base to pass through while keeping the stem upright. Finally, gently cover the cutting and jar with a clear plastic bag. This acts like a mini greenhouse, helping to maintain consistent humidity, which is absolutely essential for keeping the cutting hydrated during the early rooting stage. This simple cover provides a perfect, humid environment for your rose cutting to start its journey towards strong, healthy growth. The waiting game and transplanting. Place your covered rose cutting in a shaded, well-ventilated spot away from direct sunlight. Gentle light helps the cutting retain moisture, stay cool, and creates the perfect environment for delicate roots to begin forming. This is a quiet stage, a time for the plant to rest and recover. Avoid harsh sunlight or heat. After 2 to 3 weeks of gentle care, you'll start to see magic. Tiny new buds will sprout from the leaf nodes, and as you carefully lift the cutting, you'll see small white roots reaching out. This is a beautiful sign that your cutting has adapted and is ready for its next stage of growth. Once the roots and new shoots have appeared, it's the perfect time to move your cutting into a new pot filled with rich, nutritious soil. Before planting, carefully remove any flowers that may have formed, so the plant can focus all its energy on root growth and new leaves. Sprinkle a little turmeric powder on the cut to help it heal faster after planting. Then gently water around the base to moisten the soil and help the roots settle in. Just like that, you've completed every gentle step to help a small rose cutting begin its journey toward new life. I hope this video not only gave you helpful tips, but also sparked a little inspiration. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how your roses are growing. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our beautiful rose garden community. Let's grow beauty and happiness together, one bloom at a time.